Inputs that instantly turn into action. That's the power of AI agents in Zoho Creator. These intelligent assistants take tasks off your plate and handle them for you. Starting with the basics, find what you need fast. Think of Zoho's intelligent assistant Zia as your personal data miner. Just type what you're looking for and the results appear right where you are. No screen hopping, no digging around. You can keep drilling down and refining your query, and Zia keeps up. But Zia doesn't stop at just fetching information. It goes beyond, analyzing your data, drawing meaningful connections, and surfacing actionable insights that help you make data-driven decisions. Ready to turn those insights into automated actions? Zia is right by your side. Whether it's extracting key information from documents, automatically drafting personalized emails for different scenarios, or performing complex calculations using multiple data points, Zia gets it done. And now, for the ultimate untangling of tangled tasks, AI agents for your apps. Think of them as task wizards. They can think, plan, and execute complex, multi-step tasks all on their own. From automated data extraction and validation to identifying discrepancies and more, you can build agents to handle anything, from the simplest tasks to the most intricate workflows. The possibilities? Practically endless. And the best part of harnessing AI agents? They do the work for you, but follow your lead. It's the AAA boost your apps have been waiting for. Autonomy, accuracy, amplified productivity.